Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. Today I'm going to be making Oreo brownies. I'm going to be starting with fudge brownie mix, and I'm going to mix that up according to package directions. Next, I have a Hershey's cookies and cream bar, which I'm going to be chopping up. Alright, that is chopped up and ready to be folded into our brownie batter. Alright, so this is looking really good. So we're going to set that aside for just a moment. Alright, so I have my pan, which I have sprayed with cooking spray, and I'm going to line the bottom with Oreos. I'm using double stuff today because why not? Alright, and we are ready to pour in our batter. Alright, this looks so good, and I'm going to get it right into my 350-degree oven. Alright, it's been 35 minutes and the brownies are out of the oven. I'm going to let them cool completely before frosting them. Now that our brownies have cooled, it's time for some chocolate frosting. Alright, and frosting is on. Alright, so for the finishing touch, I have the rest of my Oreos in a plastic bag, and I have a rolling pin, and I'm going to start to break them up. Alright, now that the Oreos are broken up, I'm going to use them to top my brownies. Alright, the brownies are all done, and it is time for the moment of truth. Let's cut a piece and see how they look. Alright, this looks so good. I can't wait to give it a try, and I hope you feel the same way. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on your post notifications so you never miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you back here next time at Recipes Mania. Bye guys!